In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling on Squarespace. We're going to walk through the basic process of creating a product listing inside your Squarespace store. This is a great place to begin if you're setting up an online shop and want to make sure your product details are entered clearly and correctly from the start. First, go to the Products and Services area in your Squarespace dashboard. This is where Squarespace organizes the items and services you want to sell, so it's the main section you'll use to manage your store. From there, click on Products. This will open the product management area where you can view existing listings or create a brand new one. Next, click Add Product. Squarespace will then ask you what kind of product you want to create. Since this example is for a physical item, choose Physical. This option is used for products that need to be shipped or delivered as tangible goods. Now you can start filling in the product details. Begin by typing your product name. Make this clear and specific so customers instantly understand what you're selling. A good product name is simple, descriptive, and easy to recognize. After that, enter the product description. This is where you explain what the item is, what makes it useful, and any important detail a customer should know before buying. Try to keep the wording easy to read while still being informative. Next, click Add images and upload your product photos. Strong images can make a huge difference because they help customers visualize the item before purchasing. If possible, use clear, well-lit photos that show the product from multiple angles. Then add the price. This is the amount your customer will pay, so double check that it's accurate before moving on. You'll also see a field for SKU. This stands for Stock Keeping Unit, and it's helpful for tracking inventory internally. If you manage multiple items, using SKUs can make organization much easier. After that, add the GTN. This is the Global Trade Item Number, which may be useful for product identification across selling platforms and systems. Then enter the MPN or manufacturer part number. If your product has one, this helps further identify the item, especially for cataloging and search purposes. Once all of your main details are filled out, move to the Save button. When you hover over it, Squarespace gives you a few different options for what to do next. You can choose to publish the product right away if it's ready for customers to see. You can save it as hidden if you want to finish or review it laterwards without making it public yet. Or if you want the product to go live at a specific time, you can schedule it. And that's how you start selling on Squarespace by creating your first physical product listing.